Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create new Apple ID on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to create new Apple ID on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, you have to simply open any browser on your iPhone. So guys, you have to simply open any browser. Here you can see this. I have opened the Google Chrome, and you have to search here for account.apple.com. so as here you can see this, simply search for account.apple.com, and after this open this website, and here you can see a little arrow button. So I simply tap on this, and from here you have to simply tap on create your Apple account. Simply tap on this and wait here for some seconds, and from here you have to give here all the details about your account. So guys, you can see this, create your Apple account. You have to enter your first name and then your last name, then select your country or region, and after this give your date of birth, give the date, then month, then year, and now give here your email address, and then create a password and then confirm the password, and after this scroll it below and enter your phone number and select the country or region from here as well, and then scroll it below and check this to text message to verify your Apple account, because a code will be sent to your phone number to verify your account. So guys, after this scroll it below and give these characters in this box, and after this scroll it below and tap on continue. So guys, once you tap on continue, a code will be sent to your phone number. You have to enter that phone number for verification of your Apple account, and after this your Apple account will be created. So guys, in this way you can also create Apple ID for your iPhone very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.